Hi students, I wanted to talk to you about library support for your research assignment for Professor Robello. You already know we do a lot online from Library 10. Most of our collections are online. For this assignment we created a research guide and I wanted to walk you through the steps. So this guide has 4 steps. Artstor, which is an image database in the library, searching, finding sources, and then sharing and documenting your sources. You can navigate this guide here on the left side, or you can go down here to the bottom right to get to the next page. So we're going to start out on that first page on Artstor, the image database. Just a reminder that if you have any questions, you can use Ask a Librarian anytime to submit your questions, and that all of our library collections are available online, so you can access them 24/7 using your Canvas login and password. So Artstor again is an image database that you can look up many artists, and the first step for this guide is looking up the artist and identifying some keywords that are relevant for that artist. I'm going to go down and click here to go to the next page. Once you've figured out what some of the relevant keywords are, you're going to go to this next step, and it's just a review for some search tips. So how to combine those keywords you've identified to search effectively. This first part is some basic search tips, and then the box down below is some advanced search tips. I'm going to click on this button to go to the next page. And once you've identified your keywords and done some review of how to combine those keywords, you're going to go ahead and start searching. Please review this video on searching in one search first. It goes over how to refine and limit your results using those limiters on the left side, and how to narrow down your results list. After that, you're going to go ahead and start searching in one search. This final page is on sharing and documenting your sources. So it has a review of how to document your sources, and then asks you to share the best source you found with Professor Robello and your fellow students using this online form. You can see what other people have shared here. And finally, just a reminder that we are still here and we're here for you. We want to help you get through this, so please keep in touch. Please contact us using Ask a Librarian if you have any questions or get stuck at any point.